Hello, good morning, friends. I wanted to go over the Math 3-4 assignment this morning. So it's going to be in Kami on your Google Classroom. I'm on the classwork page, and I click on this to open up this assignment. And remember, I have to open with Kami up at the top right. Okay. So this is a bit of a review of what we did yesterday. So the first one says, divide this number line to show halves. Label each tick mark with a fraction. So remember halves, let me do black instead of eraser, there it is, instead of teal. So halves is 1/2. So how many pieces to each from 0 to 1? How many pieces should this be in? From 1 to 2, how many pieces should we have here? Look at the denominator. Divide this number line to show fourths. So we've got 1/4. Label each tick mark with a fraction. So how many pieces should this first section be in? How many sections should it have? Look at the denominator. How many sections should the next number have from 1 to 2? And then this one, divide this number line to show eighths. Again, that's 1/8. That's an eighth. So how many pieces should this first section be split into? Look at the denominator, right? And you're going to label each tick mark with a fraction. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, and on and on and on. And you'll count up all of your fractions, how many pieces you have. Then for the second part, use the number lines above or the fraction number lines poster, well, we don't have that, to solve problems 4 through 6. So which number is greater? Remember, we practiced this yesterday. Which fraction is greater? 3/8 or 1/4? Well, you got these number lines up here to help show you which one is going to be bigger. 2/2 or 5/4? 1 and 5/8 or 3/2? So you're using your number lines up here to solve this. And don't worry about these just yet. Don't do 5 and 6. Just do numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you can, practice this. We've got write each number in standard notation. So 3 times 10 to the second. Remember, 10 to the second is 10 times 10, which is 100. So it's 3 times 100. This one, 10 to the third, that's 10 times 10 times 10. So that's 1 with 3 zeros, 1,000. So what's 5 times 1,000? And for this one too, 10 to the fourth, that's 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, or a 1 with 4 zeros. That's 10,000, 8 times 10,000. And this one says, write each number as a product using exponential notation. So that's this. You're like reversing it back. So what equation could you do that would equal 900 if you're using exponential notation, these 10 to the second or 10 to the third, whatever the problem requires. Please reach out if you have any questions at all. I hope you guys can do this okay.